guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Like the idiotic old man you be, now so I will beat you. I will beat you. No wahala. God don't bless me. Another person they use the way they pose, when they say drink now be wet. But I should call me Mr. Vino. Let me flex my life. I enjoy. There's nothing you can do about it. I can buy you, Omila Akim. What's your price tag? Tell me. What is it? 2 million, 3 million? Let me know. As you just did, if they hag, I can buy you for 2 million. You know what? Nothing. You are worthless before me. If you make me best, I will bring 4 million for your eyes now. You will see. I'll just give you 4 million. Say how much you be. Make I buy you. What will be your pains? What they pain you since? Let me buy you your misery, your miserable life. Let me buy your miserable life because your life is so miserable. Very, very miserable. One will come tell me the truth. Nothing stand for truth. No one come hold on to lies. Those lies will make our people so dejected in Central Europe. All of it, they come with anger. From material sin, they want to come upset the system by force, by fire, by thunder. Not being educated to know the reality, to know the truth. Now bring them with lies to come become newsers. Most of them will become drug addicts. Most of them don't, they mad for Rome. Last time I checked, when I went to the embassy in Rome, I saw many Nigerians mad in the street of 10 minutes before I got to the embassy. Crazy. Useless. Because only people talk truth to stop this idiotic influx of people. Then because I talk, say, you already talk up, say that truth. Omila Akim, to the moment I go talk up, a billion times over and over again. I was never, and I mean beat the Euro pass on the social media. The last time I checked, I beat Euro like no tomorrow. Even then, Izobo Agbada, they call me. They call me from Nigeria. All of it, they call me. Let's fight Oyomba. The fight I fight Oyomba, when I fight, the fight where I beat Monkey Face, I never see you do one. Check my history. Go to the history of me on this Facebook. Go to it and check it to know how to beat Monkey Face. You never did it. You just come claim glory. Then you come in and you're more May woe betide you. May woe of the strongest soldier strike you for you belong to. You think I'll be your mate? You think I'm your mate? Won't down me like you. Can you come out to be clean like me? You know, the video, maybe sometimes light not too good. Maybe if I come for work, that time in Italy. I paid my dues 15 years. I not stop work one day. I do that under social. 2 years. Government, they pay me for 2 years. I not stop work. You pay tax, so this your black work when you go to clean the years. Me will work regularly. From 2008, I not stop job one day. I not stop job one day. 2008 to today, count how many years it be. I not stop job one day. An idiot like you come to talk to me. A recluse like you. I still come Ireland. Quickly, I get job. I still dey work. I just come from job now. When I talk to you that time, I say make I shake my head. I say, it's not good. I don't talk to me. They don't see me. I be your mate. I be your mate for this world. You be nonsense. Come out. Come drink stuff like me. If you feel bad, you know, say, one cup. Come take out and do live video. We'll see. One glass of vino, come try it. Won't damn like him. Come out. My people, I see you now. I greet you now. Truthful Joy, good evening. I greet you. Omila don't go gaga. You don't know who you go talk to. You don't know who you want to talk to. You can say na me. You want to talk to. You hold me. Me like if they born you well. Show your face. Tell me who you be. Maybe to go Benin, maybe still be the dawn. For Benin City. Maybe know who elect strong for the ground. Get it back pass. If they born you well, show your face. Maybe know who elect strong for the ground. Pass. This is how I did for this social media. Whatever. I come to talk the truth. I don't come here to come beg anybody money. I don't come here to come ask anybody nothing. But the truth need to be told. Our Benin women fall short of certain standard. Not all. Not generalizing. I say rarely, and that's so it be. Rarely. Rarely. Because as it is today, most of them are fall short of understanding. So whatever you want to call summarize, then you understand English fast. And remember I said rarely. That's why I talk rare to see a disciplined woman in Benin City today. We just all of them like abroad money. They too love abroad money. They don't care what they happen to nobody. Who will talk the truth. They will send you to the young big call you to come become blood money. Even one of our great footballer, talker. Mikel Obi said it. They will look at you. You don't come abroad. Don't people say that Mikel Obi, a great footballer, don't be one where they even send. Have family disturb him. He talker for this space. People not get the intellectual part to see it. Not talking about who go swear, come with that poverty-seeking ideology. If someone don't tell the truth. Mikel Obi come cry out, say, people, family, because of his name, they'll go marry. They'll go marry because Mikel Obi he get one good club. They earn so much money. Some boys go marry Mikel Obi sisters because they want to feed on Mikel Obi. Let's talk less of this, our poverty-seeking mothers, uneducated mothers, we carry children come Europe. Swear. It's a fact. All they need, make them get money, make them enter big meetings. They pose, my pikin, I be mama of a cateria. That's so it be. There's nothing you can do about it. It's just a blunt truth. Cry to eternity. I will beat you with facts and figures. With accuracy. Accurate facts. I know they for DB. I know they for they say. I will beat you with accurate facts. Damn lucky. You are nobody before me. So make I just save the best for last tomorrow. I will to beat you tomorrow. I will to beat you lucky. Now you find me. Now you find me. I never talk to anybody for like this for some time. I not share video. I not get time to share. If not 4 people they watch me, 5 people they watch me, my message is here for you to see and to hear. Say, I come to tell you, say, you are a nobody, you are inconsequential, you are a fool, you are stupid, you are an idiot. Nothing good can ever come out from you. You can never be there. That's what you are. Just take your frustration. Go, if possible, go by yourself this night. Go by yourself. Because the way I go to beat you tomorrow morning, no good. Because you don't frustrate. When you come the open press, because they show small boy, your frustration, you don't get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. You're a recluse, Akim. You're fucking recluse. Go and hide the shame. I come out to talk him again. To say it loud and clear. Yuri almost need to be forgiven. This is better a billion times more than all of them put together when they come out. All those want to be, all those idiots who want to be, they take people name because Facebook they pay, want to get views, they want to see them frustrated, dejected, Benin women, when they spell their name. Now na be all of them. With respect to intellectual people, Benin's are respected to the world. Those people don't talk. They talk. That make me they talk because people like of our competence supposed to come out to talk, but they are not talking. They are not speaking. I will not say those never produce great people for the world, but this set of people where they bastardize those names, need to be spoken to be talked to, and put where they belong to. They are not representing Edos. They are better Edos. From my own set, better ones. I know them. The Osahon, Okun Edos, my schoolmate in Edo College, a great one for that matter. Many in America, Canada, doing well. They don't speak on this issue. But the bad eggs, like people like Omila, Akim, like the easy, Umunda, Obede, where they project us in this bad image, we have to curtail their excesses, whatever it entails. To curtail their excesses, we don't need any apology. The facts, the statistics are there. Me, I don't talk and say, I owe nobody, no apology. Drag me from now to eternity. I go beat all of them with facts. I have the figures. I'll come because the projector. Finally, because I don't talk about people, family, I'll come give them facts later. I'm disciplined. You never see me dragging people, family. I always curtail from me to say, not call people adulterous. Because it's not bestowed on you to do that. But the way they go, if me can't join, can't give a better fast, now we just go gaga, you commit suicide, Omila. You commit suicide. You go commit suicide. I'm a fighter, but there are things I don't do. Because I'm reserved. But when you call my name, Andrew Mofen, I want to say Mofen, where you call, better pass you a billion times. Too much better than you. But the CEO is better than all of them put together. Because I want to talk. I say bring out. And not be a maker, we call the beg. Because they mean me, if I talk, that's so it be. We'll go to whatever. Drag me to the end of the world. Now, word not going to change my mouth, not going to change my language. My language is my language. I support second Yuri. I don't beat Yuri for the social media. Me, personally, I don't beat Yuri well. But I can't look and say, he don't do. I call Atiti Oyomba because they deal with Yuri. I called Atiti Oyomba on this space. But nothing lasts forever. There's room for forgiveness. For you know, they call him, for una to, they call him barren woman. Then they shut up like this. I say, no. Somebody will do, there's still room for forgiveness. So the needful need to be done. I'm using this medium to ask the very palace to do what is needful. Because to err is human and to forgive is divine. The palace cannot continue to say, one person, this pikin come from our land. The need to forgive Yuri is a need that the palace need to do to keep most of una mouth shut. Because una too lie, una be evil people. Yuri better pass all of una a billion times. Let me talk. I not put water for my talker. Yuri better pass all of una. Una be liars, una be hypocrites. Una be hypocrites. Who see something bad community talker? Now walk up pusher, say make it your killer, make it not talk truth anymore. What a shame. What a shame. Yuri, for this social media with me a day, Yuri will come. Palace will give Yuri better name, more than you, Omila Akim. Yuri will be better than you. The palace will recognize Yuri more than you, and you will see the shame and disgrace that will be for you at the end of the day and the end of time. I want you to prophesy on your head to that. Omila Akim, you go see the better position where you go be for that Benin kingdom. More than you. More than any people they talk, what they call Huyomba, he not born. What? Who give you the right to judge anybody say not born? Are you God? Are you God? For crying out aloud? Are you God? Are you people God? Certain things happen for a certain reason. You don't know what he got predestined for somebody say, you know people get children for the night, make your mention be fulfilled. Because children will distract you. But some idiot, misconcepted people from Edo State, from Benin language, just to judge people, say you're not born. Now the yardstick of success. They won't be these people. When they judge people, without understand the principle of the spiritual realm. They won't be that often put together. Mr. Bino can't give you Umlaki, shege for your head. They won't be tied you a billion times.